A lot of people are becoming content creators today because they believe that content creation is the fastest, simpler, and most easiest way of making money today, because everyone is online and prepared and ready to watch any of your video that you drop there. It is true that when you get monetized, you begin to earn money from any of your well-ranking video on the internet. But the truth is, even the easier way as you may think is now the hardest, because there are a lot of people online today doing the same thing you are doing, creating the same content you are creating, and talking about the same topic you are talking about. Because of too much competitors we have on the internet space today, having your video go viral is now a big challenge. But the question is, why did you even become a content creator? Why did you even choose to become a YouTuber? Are you the kind of person who decided to become a content creator, perhaps decided to post every of your video here on YouTube because you want to share your ideas and tell your story here on YouTube? Or you are the kind of person who just want to have fun and entertain people? Or you are the kind of person who just want to document every of your daily activity and event here on the social space? Or you are the kind of person who just want to come here and start making money? So whatever the reason might be, just understand that you are not wrong. But in this video, I will help you understand one of the best reasons why you should become a content creator here on YouTube. Hey friends, my name is Remain Philip, and if you love what I do, please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button. Hitting on the subscribe button is one way you support and encourage me never to give up doing something like this. And if you've already done that, let's rock and roll. Content creation is very challenging at this period of time. Why? Because a lot of people are becoming content creator at the same time. Even newborn babies have their own channel that they are hoping to get monetized anytime soon. Parents are creating content, creating content from their homes and from their workplace. Anywhere you find yourself, people are just creating content. This makes content creation more challenging. If you think you are just the first person that is introducing a topic, you might be wrong. If you go deeper into the internet space, you come to understand that there are a lot of people who have first introduced the very thing you are introducing right now. Regardless of all this, what is the most reason that makes everyone want to become a content creator? Among all the questions I asked earlier, the greatest on the statistic is everyone wants to start making money from their own content online, because a lot of people believe these days that creating content online is one of the most easy and safest way to make money on the internet. So everyone wants to become a content creator. But this is one truth you need to understand. If you are here or becoming a content creator or because you want to make money, if you are putting that perspective first, if that perspective is so great in your mind that you just want to start making money as you enter into content creating, the truth is you might fail. The truth is you might get burned out and you might quit. If that is the biggest reason why you want to start standing your tripod and recording yourself on a camera, you might give up anytime soon. A lot of people who had that perspective before they started creating content had a lot to say about this. So most of them, when they enter the internet space in creating content, they thought creating content was so easy that even when you started today, in a week's or few months time, they'll start making money. But a lot of them are quit these days. Why? Because what they all expected, they never get. And that is the most reason why you don't need to have that perspective so great as you are coming into the internet space as a content creator. So do so well that whenever you are uploading any video, do it with the mindset that you are enjoying what you are doing. You are learning from every video you posted. You are doing your best to improve as you post each video anytime. So having a perspective of money at the beginning when you are just entering into video creation will not help you to grow. In the long run, if you don't get the money, you may quit. So have the perspective of enjoying whatsoever thing you are doing here on YouTube. Have the mindset of you learning from every video you are dropping here on YouTube. Having the perspective of always growing on YouTube will help you to stand longer, and with that you will become successful on YouTube. Hey friends, I know everything I've said in this video suffice, and if you benefit anything from it, please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button. Alright, stay good and stay cool till we meet in next video. Bye bye.